This is the afternoon edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Wednesday, the 6th of November. I'm James Spann. Little rain around here tonight, but nothing severe. Probably rain amounts will be on the light side. Let's go in there and take a look. We'll check some of the Skycam shots around the network this afternoon as we peek out the old weather window. As coming from Trussville, the sky there mostly cloudy. On the western side of the state, Tuscaloosa with a good deal of sunshine. And in East Alabama, the sun is shining at Jacksonville. From the campus of Jacksonville State University through scattered high clouds. There's our trough coming in from the west. That will push a band of showers in here tonight. We note that little swirl down in the Gulf of Mexico, but no worries. The water down there too cool for tropical development. Check the radar at 2:28. Showers are around Memphis and Little Rock. Rain getting closer to the northwestern corner of Alabama. Looks like there could be some rain around the shoals, maybe as early as 6 o'clock this evening, but it'll be later for us. Mostly low 70s on the board, 72 for Birmingham, Anniston, Gadsden, Haleyville, Cullman. Look at Muscle Shoals. They've soared to 77, but they'll be cooling down pretty soon. Around the nation, you see that cold air behind the front. The cold front nearing Memphis. Only in the 30s and 40s this afternoon across much of the northern states. And tomorrow will be a different kind of day. We'll have a chilly north wind. Not so sure we get out of the 50s. But the sky will become mostly sunny, and that'll take some of the edge off. Frost and freeze advisories for parts of the southern plains down into Texas for tonight. And there's the rain for the next 5 days. Not very much. Rain amounts, I'd say here probably a quarter inch or so, maybe some 1/2 inch totals up in northwest Alabama. But the rain should be over by the time you wake up tomorrow morning. And boy, that's a nasty-looking typhoon. Haiwan. In the Pacific, that is headed for the Philippines. That thing is a super typhoon. The peak winds at 150 knots. That's like 180 miles per hour. I mean, that is nasty. And that's going to be coming into the Philippines. It'll be a major typhoon. It should be in a weakening phase, but that could still cause some problems here in a couple of days over there. Let's take a look at the high-res NAM. What do you say? This is valid tonight at 8 o'clock. There's the batch of showers over northwest Alabama, raining in places like Hamilton, Russellville, Muscle Shoals, Athens at 8 o'clock. This is midnight tonight, the band of showers coming into Birmingham. And then by 6 o'clock tomorrow morning, it's over. So I'd say the main window for rain for our part of the state, whenever I say that, I mean Tuscaloosa, Birmingham, Anniston, Gadsden, about 10 o'clock tonight until 4 o'clock tomorrow morning. That's the main 6-hour window. And so most of you will sleep through this. No severe weather, probably no thunder, and rain amounts for, again, our part of the state, a quarter inch, maybe up in northwest Alabama, some 1/2 inch amounts. This is the upper chart tomorrow. This is off the GFS, the 12Z run, valid at noon at 500 millibars. Broad troughing over the east. Down below that, cold air advection. A windy and cool day, the sky becoming sunny, and the high around 60. We'll have a hard time getting out of the 50s. Friday, we'll start the day in the 30s, maybe some frost and spots, probably mid to upper 30s for most spots. Friday should be a brilliantly sunny day. One of those days where you just can't find a cloud in that cobalt blue sky. High at or just over 60. Saturday, again, we'll probably be in the upper 30s Saturday morning to start the day. The day Saturday, gorgeous, sunny with a high in the mid-60s. Great day for football up in Knoxville. Auburn coming to take on the Volunteers. Alabama hosting LSU in Tuscaloosa Saturday night. Clear, cool, just great weather. Much of the country in good shape. Sunday, we stay dry. Temperatures in the upper 60s. And Monday of next week, another rain-free day. The high around 70. This is Tuesday. Ooh, look at that, 1043 high. Coming down toward North Dakota. That's some pretty cold air up there. Here's Wednesday of next week, a week from today. New troughing forming over the east. Down below that, a strong push of cold air drops in. The cold front suggesting here that there could be some rain with that maybe over Tennessee Wednesday. And I guess we might consider a slight chance of a shower, but the air is so dry, just not so sure it rains at all. Then the following day, this is Thursday the 14th. Look at the cold air. Those are anomalies. And this is suggesting temperatures over 15 degrees below average. That could drive a lot of folks down below freezing toward the end of next week. And we'll check the end of the forecast, 22nd of November. Got a disturbance there over Texas and Mexico. And they'll have some rain out there, but if this is right, we will be dry with seasonal temperatures. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can, catch us on ABC 3340 News this evening, on the live stream or the television side at 4, 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful evening, and God bless.